Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Eve, and today we are diving deeper into the world of bullet journaling. This is the second episode of the series Bullet Journaling for Beginners. In the first episode, we talk about the book The Bullet Journal Method. In this video, I will guide you through the basics of setting up your first bullet journal, discussing the materials you will need, the essential spreads, and how to create and customize your own collections. I will be setting up my new mid-year bullet journal. Let's get started. Bullet journaling is a fantastic way to stay organized and productive. It helps you keep track on your tasks, goals, and thoughts all in one place. Personally, bullet journaling has helped me manage my time better, reduce stress, and boost creativity. It's a flexible system that you can tailor to fit your needs, making it perfect for anyone. To start bullet journaling, you will need a few basic materials. Here's what I recommend. Any notebook will do, but dotted notebooks are popular choices. I talked about options in the first episode, so if you want to check it out, I will link it in the right-left corner. I'm using this bullet journal by Notebook Therapy, the Nara edition. You can use any fine liners, brush pens, any highlighters. It's your bullet journal, the planner and keeper of your memories, that you can adjust to your own needs. I like to use Unipin point liners for writing in my bullet journal. For titles, I often use my Sipa calligraphic pens, and for decoration, really anything, including pencils, acrylic markers, brush pens, metallic pens, watercolors, etc. A ruler is great for creating straight lines, but you don't need to use it. You can also use stickers and washi tapes for easier and faster decorations. I personally prefer to doodle and paint in my bullet journal. Stamps and stencils can be helpful for creating consistent shapes and designs, and they can also speed up the process of decorating. If you are on a budget, you can find affordable options online or even use what you already have at home. In the end, no decoration is needed to have a functional bullet journal that will help you stay organized and plan all of your tasks. Let's start by preparing your notebook. Take the notebook and break the spine of it. This will help your notebook lay flat on the desk. You can do it by setting your notebook on the desk and taking 10 pages at a time from both sides, pressing them with your hand. After you are done, open your notebook and start working on it. On the inside cover, we will write the key. This will help you stay organized and use only symbols and keywords. You should have symbols for tasks, completed tasks, migrated tasks to the future, migrated tasks from the past, events and appointments, completed events, appointments, cancelled tasks, events, notes, and irrelevant tasks or events. You can see all the symbols as I am creating the key. Over the time, you will might not need this page, but in the beginning, it's good to have it in the cover for easy access. We will skip the cover page for now, because today we are focusing only on the must-haves in your bullet journal. We will decorate and choose the theme for your bullet journal in episode 3, coming up next week. Today, I will teach you only the basics you need for a functional bullet journal. You can use the next 2 pages to write your index. I don't have a numbered notebook and I don't use an index at all, so this is the one that I will skip for good. The next important part of your bullet journal is the future log. This is where you can write down events and tasks for the future months by simply creating space for each month. I will create a future log only for the months from July to December of 2024. Here is where stamps can help if you have them. It's a faster way to create calendars, I'm dividing my page into thirds with the grid I created at the beginning of 2024. The key spreads in the bullet journal are index, a table of contents for easy navigation, but as I mentioned, I'm not a fan of this. Future log, an overview of the year ahead that we just created. Monthly log, a spread for each month including a calendar, as you can see here. Weekly spreads or daily logs, where you can write down tasks, events, and notes. One of the best parts of bullet journaling is creating custom collections. These are the ones that you choose depending on the purpose of your bullet journal. As the author of the bullet journal method mentioned in his book, these should fulfill some purpose and you should learn something from them. If you don't use them or you learn nothing from them, you should skip making them in the future. Here are a few of my favorite custom collections. Habit tracker, to track daily habits. Mood tracker, to monitor your emotional well-being. A brain dump, a space to jot down random ideas and thoughts. I use this on a monthly basis, so I'm not creating them in this mid-year setup. I also like to focus on my health, so I include a period tracker and weight tracker as well, and we will create these together right now. For the period tracker, I am creating a circle for each day of each month and writing a legend of colors for filling it in. For weight tracker, I am creating a graph that will include the date and weight. I use it each Sunday morning. These are all the important details you need to set up in your first bullet journal. If you find it a bit plain like this, come back next week when I will show you how to choose a theme for decoration and we will decorate these spreads that we created together. And there you have it, your very own bullet journal setup. Remember, the beauty of bullet journaling is its flexibility, so make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I would like to see your bullet journal setups, so feel free to share them in the comments or tag me on social media. See you next Saturday in episode 3. Happy journaling! Bye!